first priority is to find some coffee. Which they have a coffee machine, but I don't think we have enough water right now for it to make sense to make an entire pot. So I'm shades of my father. And when we went to Colombia, we bought a bunch of instant coffee for that last day. So I think we're gonna have some instant coffee and some sugar packets that I stole from a lounge. Don't tell anybody. I slept like a rock last night until I started coughing, because of course, you know, I'm coming off a cold. But the bed here is really comfortable. Who could have thought that it heats up so much? Here in Mexico, it gets warmer. This was a little sweaty. The game plan for today is to go check out Act Mall. So we're gonna go check out the beach. I found a couple of cenotes that I think would be cool to see. And then we need to, actually even before that, we need to find some food. It's gonna be a fun day. The adventure begins. It's just a matter of getting Roy up. Where are you? Cute. We're going to go down to the hotel breakfast area. I'm so excited because I'm hungry. Breakfast. And some real coffee. Not that this instant coffee is the worst thing I've ever had. I mean, it's not the best. I probably should have put 2 packets in each thing. It's a little watery. But, as my mother would say, it's better than a poke in the eye with a sharp stick. Best start to the day ever. I gotta pet the goodest boy in the world. His name's Roma. Such a good baby. You gonna scream? I'll wait. Oh, good job. Well done. That was a good screech. Those blackbirds are my absolute favorite. This place has like 15 bars. So if we wanted to drink our breakfast, we absolutely could. But I haven't eaten in over 24 hours, except for like nibbles. And Roy didn't even have breakfast yesterday morning. And I told him, I was like, you better. I don't know if we're gonna have time.
I snacked.
Oh. I'm going full fat girl. I couldn't stop myself. I'm doing a full English breakfast for my first meal in Mexico. I'm gonna scare the neighbors. We're off to our first cenote. A cenote is a natural sinkhole in limestone that creates like an underground water pool and cave-ish sort of thing. And it's really a big thing down here in the Yucatan Peninsula. So that's the whole reason that we came to this side, so we can go check those out. Because we're gonna do a mom's trip this coming January with my sister-in-law and, you know, a bunch of her friends. So we're kind of trying to figure out which side is the best side. We took the hardest route to get into the apartment last night when there was a perfectly nice walkway. And closer to the car. Oh, what a cute little town. It smells so good. It smells like smoked meat. Hola! Everybody here is so friendly. Yeah, we're just kind of cruising down through the jungle. Oh, okay. We keep seeing like, well, that's ATVs.
Cenote per 300 meters.
Perfect, yeah. We're flying blind. Yeah, this just might be an elaborate ruse to murder us.
Yeah, they'll get you.
I can think of no better way to die. Hola. Okay, gracias. Yeah, Google Maps. It's like a reoccurring just
theme. It gets us
grumble.
close.
Yeah, it gets us in the area, and then like the finite details, it's like, nah, good luck. So it's in at the monkey sanctuary.
That's ATVs.
Yeah, I don't want to do ATVs.
There's an ostrich.
What?
And zebras.
There are zebras? I've never seen a zebra.
Really?
Wow, look at them. You're beautiful. What? Oh God, I gotta get out. I have to. You just stop this car.
We're gonna park right up here.
I know, but let me out for a minute, please. Oh, I'm so excited. I will walk up to where you park. I don't even care. Look at this. Oh my God. That is so cool. Oh, hello. I love you. Boy, you are scary. So scary. Oh man. Wow. Good morning, pretty zebra. Oh yeah, you don't look real thrilled. How cool. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. This is so cool. Oh, there's 3 ostriches now? Those are terrifying. Look at their feet. Why are you so red?
He comes this way.
Oh, they are so freaky looking.
You can ride them.
That's like if a little kid drew a picture of a bird. Oof. Yeah, she said that there's a small cenote and then there's a bigger one. But one of them is full of the bitey fish. Gross. It was 150 pesos a person. So, accountant, how much is that? Like $5?
18 pesos for 20 bucks.
For both of us?
No, less than that, yeah.
$10 a person? Okay.
Wake up and go ride ostrich.
Oh, cenote. There we go. Fish spa. Beverages. That's so exciting. Wow. And it's just for us. This is so cool.
Oh, I see the little fishies.
Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Ooh. Oh, and there are fish in here.
Yeah.
Gross.
But they don't bite too hard until they get to the big fish that are out there further.
Yeah, it's not warm enough yet.
Oh, just dive.
Oh, yeah, those fish. They are all about my feet. It's cold. It's so cold.
You gonna touch the long rock?
Oh, I'm not touching that. It'll fall in on me. Oh, you can hear it gurgle. It's kind of spooky. You don't know what's underneath you. It's really cool, though.
How cold is it?
It's not too bad. But it's cold enough to be like... Probably the most graceful person you've ever seen. Oh, these fish are relentless. You gonna get in? Why? I don't know why. Freshwater freaks me out more than saltwater. Maybe. I'm surprised nobody's here. Man, this is cool.
Alright, let's see what these fish are about. Oh, it's cold, honey. One of those once the shock hits.
Yeah, once you're in, it's not too bad.
Hey, little fishies. Why don't you like this, honey?
Oh, it is just awful.
Fucking fish. Oh, dude.
Yeah, see? Isn't it gross? That's a big spider web.
They're going to town.
And it's only if you stand over there.
They tickle. That's my left foot.
That means your left foot is gross. Cool. Roy's still over here enjoying his foot cleanse.
I want to touch it. I want to hold on to it, but at the same point in time, I don't want to be pinned under the water.
I know! When it breaks off. I sink like a rock. Even with air in my lungs, I'm so dense. Why are the Muellers so dense? Oh God.
And I'm over here like
Buoyant
I
as hell.
fill my lungs up.
Us Muellers. I would sink to the rock if I didn't work. Or it'd sink to the bottom like a rock.
It seems in the rock if I didn't work. In the corner, black thing.
No, I don't want to know. An evil iguana.
Oh, there's that.
What?
Yeah.
Oh shit. There are bats.
Oh no.
No. How did I get Montezuma's revenge?
I was thinking the same thing. Like, don't do that.
Can you stand?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna probably hang on to you because you're definitely way taller than me.
Like, seriously, what would you think?
Fish, because we've been in here. Roy got nibbled by a fish and he jabbed me in the kidney.
Instantly thought crab.
Yeah, that's funny.
Right on the tip of my toe. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, oh yeah, it's just a fish. Really deep.
It's a belly flop. I have water in my ears.
Alright, give us a twirl. I said a twirl, not a twig.
That's all I got.
Ballerina twirl.
The fish in here perform it? Yeah, it's a foot cleansing thing. It's an ichthyotherapy. So we're gonna sit and ichthyotherapate ourselves. You can see them in there right now. They're like, "Oh, I'm so hungry. Come on down."
Roy, come back.
Apparently, my feet are the grossest that these fish have ever seen. My right foot. My ankles. Why my ankles? Well, I don't know if it made a big difference, but... Oh well.